In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make printable tickets in HubSpot CRM. This is a simple and effective way to manage and organize your event or service interactions using HubSpot's features. So let's get started by navigating to HubSpot's trial guide interface. Open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot trial guide. Once you're there, look for the CRM button. You'll want to click on that to get access to all the customer relationship management tools that HubSpot provides. This is the central hub for managing your interactions and workflows. Next, locate and click on the Tickets tab. This is where you can view and manage all your ticketing needs, a crucial feature for keeping track of support requests or project tasks. Once there, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Create Ticket button. This option allows you to start building a new ticket from scratch, customizing it to suit your specific needs. You'll then be prompted to enter a ticket name. This label is important because it helps you quickly identify and reference each ticket in the future. When the system asks for a pipeline, choose the most appropriate category for your ticket. Pipelines help streamline processes by assigning tickets to the right sequence of actions or departments. Then you'll need to update the ticket status. Whether it's open, in progress, or closed, setting the ticket status accurately helps your team stay informed about the ticket's progress and next steps. Move on to add a ticket description. A detailed description is valuable. It provides context and clarity for anyone reviewing the ticket later on. Now it's time to click on the source. Identifying how the ticket originated, whether it's from email, chat, or web form, can provide insights into communication channels and customer behavior. Following this, assign a ticket owner. This step is essential as it designates a specific person or team to take responsibility for the ticket and ensure it's managed efficiently. When you get to the priority setting, assess how urgent the ticket is and choose a priority level accordingly. This helps in triaging and resolving issues in a timely manner. Then, fill in the create date, which is usually auto-filled but can be manually adjusted if needed. This timestamp is crucial for tracking when the ticket was initiated. At this point, you might see an option to edit this form. If you need to customize or rearrange any fields, this is the step where you can do it. Next, click on Companies, which allows you to associate the ticket with a specific organization, providing greater detail about its context and background. Don't forget to update the association label to reflect this connection accurately. Finally, after you've reviewed everything, click on the Create button to save and generate your ticket. And there you have it. A fully established ticket within HubSpot CRM, ready to be printed or processed as needed. By following these steps, you can make efficient use of HubSpot's ticketing system to keep your business workflows smooth and well organized.